So you are given these two questions. If given two functions, you are asked to differentiate these functions. So y is equal to cot inverse of, you have a function of x here. In the previous questions, you have inverse trigonometric function of a function which involves trigonometric functions. In those functions, we have used our trigonometric formulae to simplify the function and then got the answer. So here also, we'll try to simplify the given expression using trigonometric substitutions this time. So what I do is let x is equal to tan theta. So if I use the substitution, 1 minus x by 1 plus x is nothing but 1 minus tan theta by 1 plus tan theta, which is equal to tan of pi by 4 minus theta, which is equal to cot of pi by 4 plus theta. Now the tan pi by 4 minus theta from compound angle formulas is cot of pi by 2 minus of this will turn out to be pi by 4 plus theta. So if you do the substitution here, cot inverse of cot pi by 4 plus theta. So y is equal to pi by 4 plus theta. That is nothing but pi by 4 plus theta is nothing but tan inverse of x. So the given function is exactly equal to the function pi by 4 plus tan inverse x. So this function is very easy to differentiate. So dy by dx is equal to pi by 4's differentiation is 0. Tan inverse x's differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x square. So this will be the answer to this question. So now let us go to the next function. Tan inverse of root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. So what is the substitution that we do when you have a root of 1 plus x square? So this is of the form root of a square plus x square. So you do the substitution, x is equal to 1 into tan theta. X is equal to tan theta. So root of 1 plus x square minus 1 by x is nothing but root of 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Root of secant square theta is secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. So if you convert these into sine and cos, you get 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. And 1 minus cos theta by sine theta is 2 sine square theta by 2 by 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled, this and this gets cancelled. So you get tan of theta by 2. So effectively this whole expression is tan of theta by 2. So tan inverse of this is tan inverse of tan theta by 2. So y is equal to tan inverse of tan theta by 2, which is equal to theta by 2. And what is theta? Tan inverse x is half tan inverse x. So this whole expression effectively is half tan inverse x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2 times 1 by 1 plus x square. So this will be the differentiation of this function. Easy, right?